In this video, we'll look at a process that occurs inside your body to produce glucose from substances such as proteins and fats. It's called gluconeogenesis, and it's crucial to keeping your blood sugar levels stable and ensuring your body has the energy it needs. For the remainder of this video, I will abbreviate gluconeogenesis and refer to it as GCN. So, let's look at when GCN is beneficial to your health, when it isn't, and how to manage it with your lifestyle. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on important health topics like this one. GCN is a beneficial process in a variety of situations. Here are 4 scenarios when it's good for your health. First, fasting. When we fast, our bodies rely on GCN to create glucose from other sources and keep energy levels up. It is the process by which your body produces glucose from sources other than carbohydrates when it cannot obtain enough glucose from food, such as when fasting. This process happens mainly in the liver and, to a lesser extent, in the kidneys. The brain is one of the human organs that uses a lot of energy. It uses about 20% of all the energy that your body uses. Under normal circumstances, your brain gets the glucose it needs from the carbohydrates you eat. When you fast, your body may not have enough glucose, and GCN plays an important role in keeping your brain functioning. Second, exercise. GCN produces glucose to meet the increased energy demands of exercise by breaking down amino acids from protein and glycerol from fat. This newly produced glucose is released into the bloodstream, where it can be absorbed and used as fuel by your muscles. GCN is especially important during endurance or high-intensity activities, when glycogen stores deplete faster and your body requires a consistent supply of glucose to maintain muscle function and overall performance. Third, low-carb diets. A low-carb diet involves reducing your intake of carbohydrates, typically in favor of consuming more protein and fat. Common low-carb diets include the ketogenic diet, Atkins diet, and the paleo diet. While a low-carb diet can offer several health benefits, such as weight loss and improved blood sugar control, it can also lead to a reduction in the amount of glucose available from dietary sources. GCN is especially beneficial for people on low-carbohydrate diets because it helps keep blood sugar levels stable when carbohydrate intake is restricted. Fourth, stress response. When you are stressed, your body initiates a complex physiological response to assist you in coping with potentially dangerous situations by preparing your body for action. The production of stress hormones such as cortisol and adrenaline is an important part of this process. GCN is stimulated by stress hormones, particularly cortisol, which promotes the breakdown of proteins in your muscles into amino acids. These amino acids are then used as substrates for glucose production. During stressful times, GCN increases glucose production to ensure that you have enough energy. Even though GCN is usually good for your health, there are times when it could be bad for you. Here are 5 situations in which it could hurt your health. First, uncontrolled type 2 diabetes. In this case, the body isn't able to use insulin effectively. This can cause the liver to produce too much glucose via GCN, resulting in high blood sugar levels. Second, Cushing's syndrome. Cushing's syndrome is a hormonal disorder caused by prolonged exposure to high levels of cortisol, a hormone produced by the adrenal glands. Cortisol is required for the regulation of numerous bodily functions such as metabolism, immune response, and stress management. However, when its levels are excessively high, it can lead to various health issues. This condition could increase GCN. This can lead to high blood sugar levels and an increased risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Third is prolonged fasting. When you don't eat enough for an extended period, your body relies heavily on GCN for energy. This can result in the breakdown of muscle tissue to provide amino acids for glucose production and could also lead to muscle loss. Fourth, chronic stress. Long-term stress can result in consistently high cortisol levels, which promote GCN. This could result in high blood sugar levels and an increased risk of insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes. Fifth is acromegaly. Acromegaly is a rare hormonal disorder where the body produces too much growth hormone, which can lead to insulin resistance and increased GCN. This may result in consistently high blood sugar levels and an increased risk of developing diabetes. In these situations, GCN might not be helpful and could contribute to health problems. You can control it with your diet by paying attention to the types of food you eat and the timing of your meals. Here are 5 ways to do this. Consume carbohydrates. Eating enough carbs is essential to prevent your body from breaking down proteins and fats to produce glucose. Include healthy sources of carbohydrates, such as whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes, in your diet. Eat regular meals. Eating regular helps maintain stable blood sugar levels and reduces the need for GCN. Aim for 3 balanced meals a day, with healthy snacks in between if needed. Include protein and healthy fats. Including protein and healthy fats in your meals can slow down the digestion of carbohydrates, leading to a more gradual release of glucose into the bloodstream. This can help prevent rapid fluctuations in blood sugar levels and reduce the demand for GCN. Limit refined sugars and simple carbs. Foods high in refined sugars and simple carbs can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar, followed by a drop that may trigger GCN. Instead, focus on complex carbs that provide a steadier source of energy. Exercise regularly. Physical activity helps improve insulin sensitivity and glucose uptake by the muscles, reducing the need for GCN. Aim for a mix of aerobic and resistance training exercises. Remember to eat a balanced diet and to seek the advice of a healthcare professional or nutritionist before making any significant changes to your eating habits. They can assist you in developing a meal plan that is tailored to your specific needs and goals. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe and press on the bell icon for more health tips.